Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So today I will be unboxing this package that I received from Double Dip. So Double Dip is so kind enough to send me some of their products for me to try. So this is going to be so exciting since I haven't tried any of their products yet. So this one is their instruction kit. So I think every time you buy their dip powder kits, you will receive this booklet, which I think is super helpful, especially for those of you who are still starting or beginners. Here is the inside of the box. I am so excited, especially with this. I believe this is their dip liquids. I've heard and seen a lot of good reviews about their liquids, and oh, they also sent me their buffing blocks and some replacement brushes for the liquids. And here are their liquids. I love their colors. They are so colorful. So it comes with 4 bottles. I believe these are like the dip base, activator, dip top, and some brush saver. I really love that it is color coded so that you will know which one is which. So yeah, I think that is super cool. I love their packaging as well. I love that the bottle is clear so that you know if you still have products in it. And they also gave me this cute brush. So we use this to dust off all the excess powders. It is super smooth and I love the color. And I am so excited about this one. These are their dip powders. They send me 3 colors and wow, this is really my favorite. You know how much I love blues and turquoise teal. And they also gave me some pinks. So I am so excited to swatch it. And also they sent me some of their nail stickers. I am so excited for this. So yeah, thank you so much, Double Dip. It's now time to do some manicure. I am so excited to try their products for the first time, and I will be using their liquids as well. So these are the 3 colors that I got, and my nails are now ready. I have already applied my UNT peel base, and yeah, let's begin. So the first color that I'll be showing you is this Shimmer Spritzer. It is this nice turquoise teal color that has some shimmer, silver shimmer into it. I really love this color. This is really my favorite. And I will also be using this expensive pink. So this is more of a rosy pink that has some shimmers into it as well. So yeah, I'm so excited. Here are some swatches. So this one is the expensive pink. And here is the last color that I got from Double Dip. It is called Silk Taupe. I really love this one as well, but I am not going to use it. But still, I am showing you the color and some swatch. So let's begin with the application. So I am using Double Dip's dip base and just apply a thin layer of it on my nail. So I will be applying this Shimmer Spritzer on my middle and ring finger. So for this color, I will be applying 2 layers for both of my nails since I have noticed that their powder is really nice and opaque, so you don't have to like dip a lot of times, so 2 is okay already. And this next color is expensive pink. It is this nice rosy pink, and I will be applying it on my pinky finger and thumb. So what I've noticed about this color is that it is more of a jelly nails looking color. It is a bit transparent with some shimmers into it. I really love it. So again, for this color, I did 2 dips on my pinky and thumb. So I'm done applying the colors, and I have just applied a white dip on my pointer finger, and I use this one from Red Carpet Manicure. This color is called Top Billing. Now it's time to activate. Of course, I am still going to use Double Dip's Activator. So I am just going to let the activator dry and do my filing and shaping off cam, and I will be back. And this is how it looks like after filing and shaping. So now I will be adding some Waterslide decals from Poshy Nail Designs. So this one is called Mermaid Kisses and Starfish Wishes. So I have chosen this nice coral design to apply on my pointer finger. I'm just going to let it sit in the water while I apply my gel base. This one is from Triple D. After curing my nail in the lamp for 30 seconds, I'm just going to get my tweezers and remove the decal from the water. I am just removing some of the water so that it is not super wet. And yeah, I am going to apply it on my pointer finger. I am just gently pressing the decal on my nail so that it will adhere properly, and using the cuticle pusher, I am tucking in the sides so that everything is adhered to my nail. And then using some acetone and this Poshy Nail Design brush, I am just going to clean the sides. And then I am going to apply this mermaid on my middle finger. So for this decal, I am going to use Poshy Nail Design Clear Jelly Stumper to help me put the decal. So I am going to just let it dry and pat on some of the water so that it is not super wet, and using this Maniology white stamping polish, I am just going to paint the back part of the decal. So I learned this trick from Poshy Nail Design ambassadors, and you do this technique so that the color of the decal will still be vibrant when you apply it on colored nails. And I am just going to apply again Triple D's gel base on my middle finger and cure it in the lamp for 30 seconds. So I made sure that the nail polish or the white polish that I paint on the decal is completely dry first before I stamp it on my nail. And make sure to press the decal, but be gentle so that the decal won't be damaged. And I am just going to add this starfish on my ring finger. So again, I'm just going to apply this white stamping polish. You can just use the regular white polish that you have. And then I am going to paint it on the back of the starfish. So as you can see, there's only one starfish left because I accidentally tear the other one. So yeah, it's okay. I think this will still look good. So make sure that you will be gentle when applying Waterslide decals. So now it is time to apply the gel top coat. This one that I'm using is also from Triple D. So I will just cure it in the lamp for 30 seconds, and after that I'm just going to apply my cuticle oil. This one is Scales of a Mermaid in the scent You're Very Sweet. And here is the final product. I am really loving this manicure. I love how it turned out, and the colors from the double dip is super duper nice. I love the turquoise color. It is really my favorite. If you want to purchase these colors from Double Dip, don't forget to use my code JessNails10 for 10% off. I will be putting the link in the description box. Thank you and see you on my next videos. Bye!